Is it important to have insurance for your boat or jet ski? That's our topic on this episode of State Law TV. My guest today is South Carolina personal injury attorney George Sink of George Sink Injury Lawyers, and he is going to enlighten us. So George, welcome.
Well, thank you, Cindy. Glad to be here.
Well, George, I think our topic is timely today. We're in the middle of the summer season, and there are a lot of people enjoying their boats and jet skis and such. But do they need to be concerned about purchasing insurance for their watercrafts?
Well, the hard thing to know is these watercrafts, jet skis, and other things are smaller than boats, and they maneuver more quickly, faster, and there's a lot more danger to them than boats, something you're familiar with. And on top of that comes the security that you get on the water. It's peaceful, serene, you're happy, nothing could be wrong. And so yes, you do need some insurance to protect against certain problems that can arise with these crafts.
Well, George, what does personal watercraft insurance typically cover?
Well, it covers medical and property damage. And matter of fact, I personally have had need for this. I took one of these ski-doos up on a oyster bed in South Carolina here, and that caused a lot of damage. So, and they're so much fun that the property damage luckily was covered. But if I would have fallen off, as you know, you can imagine on an oyster bed, I would have been personally injured to a large extent, but I couldn't sue myself. But my passenger might have had some recourse against me. So these things are very important, especially this time of year.
Now, does the law require you to carry this insurance, or is it optional?
No, it's optional. We don't have to have it. So you don't have to have life insurance either. But sometimes it's a really good idea, and so it really works to your benefit, the benefit of you, the participant, in case something were to go wrong, and you never know. So yes, it's highly recommended.
Well, George, in your line of work, handling accident and injury cases, you deal with insurance issues all the time. If someone has specific questions along these lines, how can they contact your firm?
At 1-800-849-SINK. That's 1-800-849-SINK. You can call toll-free, or you can find us on the internet at www.sinklaw.com.
Very good. Well, George, thank you so much for speaking to us today about the importance of personal watercraft insurance.
Well, thank you, Cindy. I enjoyed it.
This is Cindy Speaker for State Law TV.